Hey there! Today I have a FASHOM to unbox. And for today's video, it's pretty exciting. I also have a giveaway, and it's sponsored by FASHOM, and it's a giveaway for a $50 FASHOM credit. So I'll put information in the description box below about how to enter, but basically you just have to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and also follow the Rafflecopter link to enter. And yeah, so I think that's pretty exciting, and actually I had asked FASHOM if I could use some of my credit to purchase a gift card to use for this giveaway, but they actually said no. They said no, you don't have to use your credit, they would sponsor it. So yeah, I'm very fortunate and thankful for FASHOM for doing that. And you know, I was really impressed actually with the customer service and the communication. And anyway, almost forgot to mention, for this month and until July 15th, if you sign up for FASHOM using someone's referral link, and I'll put mine down below, you get a $20 credit, and the person that referred you also gets a $20 credit. And ordinarily it's a $10 credit. So I guess it's a good time to sign up for FASHOM. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my box. Okay, so here's my box. And here's what the box looks like inside. And so with FASHOM, you always get a packet of information, a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back, and then here's my bundle. Let's see. Looks pretty good, I think. And one thing that's different with FASHOM is that you actually get a preview of your items, and they'll give you, like, I think it's like 7 or 8 items to select from, and you pick 5 of those items for them to send to you. And I've actually had one instance where I didn't really see anything that was that exciting, so I just asked if I could get more items to choose from. So maybe a couple days later they sent me like 5 more items to choose from. So I think they actually have really good communication, to be honest. And another thing with FASHOM, you have 3 days to, once you receive your box, but they do say if you need more time you can email them. So I haven't done that, but I might do that this time. So we'll see. Okay, so here's my packet of information. So there's a card with some information on how it works, and an invoice with all of my items. And my stylist is Morgan, and I think she's the one that I've always had. So there's a quick note from your stylist. Oh, and another thing that's different with FASHOM is they have new discounts. So if you keep all 5 items, you actually get 30% off, which is pretty generous. And if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get 25% off. So I think that is actually pretty nice that you don't have to keep all 5 items to get 25% off. Okay, let's dig into this bundle. Okay, so the first item in my box is this top. And this is actually really cute. And it's by Umgee, size small. And this is the striped short sleeve knit top, and it's $43. So yeah, I think this is actually really cute. It's kind of pricey though for like a t-shirt, but it does have this kind of interesting embroidery detail, and it's just kind of like very flowy. So I think this would look really cute with jeans and maybe shorts. But yeah, I really like this actually. Okay, and next, okay, it's a dress, and see, it has polka dots. And this is by SM Wardrobe. It's a polka dot shift dress, and this is $46, and this is a size medium. So it's just a very, I think, basic looking shift dress. It's very simple. It's lined, and it feels like it's a polyester. So I think this has possibilities. It's different. I usually wear flowy knit dresses. This is a polyester, more of a structured kind of dress. But yeah, cute. I like the color. Okay, next. Ooh, it's a polka dot top. And this is by M&G Monogram Paris, and it's the V-neck printed top, and this is $36. And this is a size medium. When you get your preview, it doesn't really say the sizes. So I guess it's just up to the stylist to choose what size to send based on, like, certain brands run different. But ooh, this is really cute. I think this is nice. It's just a navy polka dot top. Has possibilities. Okay. Next, another top. I think this is cute. This is very different. And this is by, what is this by? It says Emma and L Paris, short sleeve zigzag print blouse, and it's $42. So yeah, it has a zigzag print. It looks like it's a polyester top and has a tie in the back. I think this is kind of cute. Yeah? Okay. Okay, and lastly, okay, it's a very cute pineapple shirt. Kind of like this. And it's by Emma and Ella Paris, and it's a gold pineapple print top for $41. And they sent me a size, what is this? A size medium. So yeah, I really do like pineapples. And these are gold pineapples, so that's extra. So yeah, and I think I read, I'm not really sure, in my preview there was a note too, and I thought some of these were actually FASHOM exclusive brands. Yeah, because I haven't heard of Emma and Ella Paris or M&G Monogram. I've actually heard of Umgee, so I know that's not a exclusive brand. But FASHOM hasn't been around that long, but I think it must be at least a year, I think. I'm not sure. So maybe they're starting to have their own brands, which I kind of like, because I like actually getting, you know, things that you can't get elsewhere. But anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top. And I think this is nice. I mean, it's just very flowy. It's just a basic, and I just have it paired with some jeans, and these are from NYDJ, and there's Kat. Yeah, so it's very cute. It has like a little detail here, and it kind of goes onto the sleeve. I think that's nice, and it's striped. But yeah, I think it's just really cute, basic. It'll probably go with a lot of outfits for summer, you know, just very casual. So we'll see. I'm thinking about it. It is a little on the pricey side. It was $42, but if you buy at least 3 things, you can get a discount. So we'll see. Okay, so here's the zigzag top. And you know, this is just, I think, really cute. It has kind of an interesting neckline, and it's tied in the back. The hem is a little bit lower in the back, and it has kind of a different print, I think. Yeah, so it's cute. And I just paired it with this white skirt that I got from Loft that I actually really like. It's so easy to throw on, so it was a really good purchase from Infinitely Loft. And some black slides. So I think this is just an easy throw on casual outfit for summer. So I kind of like this top. Okay, so here is that pineapple top. And I actually just have it tucked into this skirt, and I think it's really cute. So you'll see up close what the pineapples look like. And it's a V-neck. It has kind of a cuffed, is that cuffed? Half sleeve, or actually cap sleeve. And then, yeah, so I've tucked it in, so if you were to untuck it, looks like that. And so yeah, this is cute. It is a size medium though, so this, I think this top must run a little small because it doesn't feel roomy. It's a little bit more of a fitted silhouette, yeah? But yeah, cute and very bright. It definitely screams summer. Okay, so here's the polka dot top. And actually, I really love this. I think this is a definite keeper. And I like that it's polka dots, and I love polka dots, I know. And the polka dots are just the right size. They're not too big. And it has this interesting, is this like a peplum, I think? So I think that's figure flattering because it kind of like defines the waist. It's a little longer in the back. And yeah, it's bra friendly, so you don't have to worry about that. V-neck, I think, is flattering. I think this is very cute, so I definitely think this is a keeper. Okay, here's the dress. pockets, and it is lined, and it's polyester. So, you know, I think this is a cute dress, but I don't know. I think it is a little bit short. Not too bad though. I think it would look nice under something like if I had like a duster. Maybe that was a little bit longer length than this dress. I think that'd be a nice look. But right now it is super hot and humid. So yeah, I think because of the weather right now, it's so hot. I don't know. It's making this dress kind of stick. So it is really cute. I like the color. I like the polka dots, and the fact that it has pockets is nice. Although I don't know if, see, it makes it like because it's a fitted dress, it's hard actually to use the pockets, and I think they don't exactly lay flat. So yeah, so we'll see. Okay, so I tried everything on. And you know, I think this was a really good box, honestly. And one thing I noticed is, I don't know if you saw my last FASHOM unboxing, which was maybe a couple weeks ago, I think, or a few weeks. But they sent me a lot of rayon. So for this box, I specifically requested no rayon. And it looks like they listened, because I didn't get any rayon in this box. Because one thing about rayon, and although this blouse, which I actually got from that box, is rayon, although it's a nice fabric for summer because it's breathable, it kind of does tend to wrinkle a lot of times. So yeah, I had asked for no rayon, and they delivered. That's what it looks like. But anyway, let's go over the invoice. So for all 5 items, the subtotal is $208. And if I were to keep all 5, with FASHOM I would get 30% off, and that would be $62.40 off, and my total would be $145.60. So that's not bad for 5 items. I think it's less than $30 per item. But to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be keeping all 5. I know for sure probably this dress. I don't think I'd wear it because I do have a lot of dresses. I actually have something with a similar print, but in more of a knit material. So yeah, so I think this is probably a no. I did really love this polka dot top though. I think this is really pretty, and I don't have anything like it. I think it would be just a nice basic, and it looked really nice with white jeans, and I think I could also wear it with that white skirt. I could wear it with denim, and I think it would be nice for layering too. Like it would look good with a cardigan or even a denim jacket over it. I also really like this top. I thought the print was kind of different and fun, and this also looked nice with white, I think, and I do like to wear white denim a lot. So yeah, I think this is also a keeper. I'm thinking about this. I mean, I actually honestly wasn't really wowed with this top, but I thought it was a very nice weight and easy to wear. So this is something that I could just throw on, and it would look really nice if I just wore it with, I'd probably wear this more with shorts and more casual. But yeah, this is actually really cute. And I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about this one too. This is the pineapple top. I mean, this is actually a really pretty color. It kind of has more of a luxe look, I think, with the foiled pineapples. It was pricey actually for a t-shirt. It was $41. But again, if I were to keep 3 or 4, I get 25% off. So that would bring it down to about $30. But anyway, yeah, so we'll see. I'm still deciding, and with FASHOM I do have 3 days, and I got this yesterday, so I have maybe 2 days more, but I might email them to see if I can get more time. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today, and don't forget, just a reminder, don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. So there's information in the description box below, along with the Rafflecopter link, so you can enter. And you do have to have a FASHOM account though to be able to get the credit. So yeah, so don't forget to enter, and the entry period will run through July 12th, 12 a.m. and that's Hawaii Standard Time, since I'm in Hawaii. So anyway, yeah, so don't forget, and yeah, and I just want to thank you all for watching and being a subscriber and supporting my channel. And this is just a small way to say thank you, although I also have to thank FASHOM for sponsoring this giveaway. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I will bring one of my 2 sleeping furry companions to say goodbye. Who's gonna wake up from your nap? Come on, guys. Okay, Sammy. Sammy, let's go. Okay, and here is Miss Sammy. And she she is 17 pounds, so but she feels really heavy, but she's 17 pounds, and she was born, fun fact, in Hilo, which is a sleepy little town on the Big Island. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.